Cheesecake, believed to have been created on the Greek island of Samos in 2000 BC. But history has the first recorded mention of cheesecake as being served to athletes during the first Olympic Games in 776 BC. And gazillion years later, different variations of this dessert have evolved, making cheesecake one of the most asked for desserts in restaurants around the world today. So let's bring out our variation by Chateau Gâteau. Toppings, please. Granadillas cut in half, toasted almond slivers, dry lemon slices, honeycomb, gooseberries, some blueberries, and any edible flowers. We're using pansies. Now let me remove the box and present Passionate Lemon Cheesecake.
Wow!
A heavenly match of passion fruit and lemon cheesecake made with whirls of lemon curd and layered over a golden gingerbread crumble base topped with a delicious granadilla and lemon fruit coulis. So let's start dressing our cheesecake. Remember, there's no right or wrong. Just make it your own. Let's go. First, the honeycomb. We want to create a circular garland-like shape. First the chunks, and then the crushed pieces of honeycomb. Don't go right to the edge, give it space. Now the granadilla halves. You can also use some of them when you're plating. And for some height, the dry lemon slices. You can buy them, but if you want to make them yourself, go to the recipe below and I'll tell you how. Now the gooseberries. See how the garland is forming. Now we need some contrast with blueberries. You can use frozen ones too if you can't find fresh. And flowers. We're using pansies, but any other delicate flower in these hues will work just as well. And lastly, the toasted almonds to fill in all the gaps, enclosing your garland-like topping. That's it! And let's slice. Now, if you want to pre-slice and plate your cheesecake, you can. And using the identical toppings, you can now dress each slice and plate. Ah, how beautiful is that? Truly a slice for the gods. Yes, twee, I know, but I had to.